How to draw male body. I will show you with a very simple sketch so you can follow along easily. First, I started with a bead shape, but this time from a three-quarter view to add some perspective. Then I added a few circles to mark the shoulders, elbow, and hand. I also drew a line through the torso as a guide for the core and the direction of the body. Now you can see the complete sketch with all the elements simplified. I will redo the same sketch but with smoother and more fluid lines, just to keep it loose and easy to modify. You can follow along with me, it's not so difficult. Just look at the basic shape I made on the left and try to replicate what I'm doing on the right side. I placed the example beside the drawing so you can see the full process, from a basic shape to a more developed form. Once the basic sketch is done, I will add a new layer on top, reduce the opacity of the original one, and start drawing over it. This time, I'm using a cleaner and slightly thinner lines to better define the details and improve the line art quality. I will begin shaping the abs and the belly area, trying to connect the different parts naturally. It doesn't have to be super clean. Focus on the flow rather than making everything perfect. Remember, this is just a reference, not the final rendered piece. You will refine or color it later, and this sketch helps you understand the structure first. For me personally, hands are always tricky, but in this video, I kept them as simple as possible. Now I will show you a side view next to the three-quarter view so you can better understand the form in perspectives. It helps to imagine how the body looks from different angles. I broke the figure down into three equal parts. As I mentioned earlier, the elbow usually falls at the end of the second third. I didn't include that breakdown sketch here, but feel free to take a screenshot from earlier and use it as a guide. This time I'm building from the three-quarter view, using reference line to help me maintain proportions. I already have a model, so I can just pull reference points from there or from my earlier drawing. Now I'm starting from the neck, moving down to the chest, abs, and then to the arm. Actually, I began drawing the hand first, beneath the ear area, because I found it easier. Here's a tip. Start drawing from whatever part feels easiest or clearest to you. If I'm not sure where to place the shoulder, but confident about the hand, I will start with the hand and work backward to connect everything correctly. After finishing the shoulder, I move to the back, and don't forget to add the back arm. In this perspective, you will see part of it peeking behind. Later, I made some lines bolder. It's not something I usually do, but I felt like making this drawing pop a bit more. Still, I prefer simpler lines, but I wanted to show you this as an option. If you want to add more details, this is a good approach. I will make a separate video about this, how to add realistic details and when to stop. Adding too much can overwhelm your piece, so you need to be mindful of what to include and what to skip, and also how to stylize your drawing in a way that fits you. So stay tuned for that and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or suggestions for the next video.